Yo, what's up, bro? How you doing? Today we're gonna be cutting some garlic.
You gotta move it. No.
This is perfect.
You can't really see it.
Ow!
Damn.
That's perfect.
It looks good. Wait, put your hands out in front of you. Yeah, that looks right to me.
Dude, let's freaking go.
Let's go. And you look cool as fuck.
Do I?
Yeah, you look awesome.
Or do I look kind of like a tool?
You look like a girl.
Wait, you gotta get the whole fit with the OG 107s?
Yep, pretty good.
Nice. Alright, I'll see you guys.
Are you going for a bike ride right now?
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, my keys. The thing is, it just pushes my helmet down over my eyes.
You gotta tighten the strap then. That means your strap isn't tight.
It's already the tightest it can go.
Down here.
Nah, bro.
No, you have to, Jeff.
Ah.
Jeff, that thing is, do you always have that loose? It's like not.
Oh my gosh, this is a lot looser than it was when I started. I just want to ride the bike. Alright, that's good. Yo, let's freaking go. And then we'll put this on the projector.
Nice.
Yo, Pio. Oh, God damn these branches. Let's freaking go, guys. Oh man, what a beautiful moon. What a beautiful moon. Can you see this? Let's see if that camera angle is tilted good. Do you see this moon? Oh man, this shit is crazy. This shit is crazy. Mexicans. Man, I think it could feel every bump, or is it smooth? Whew. Oh, that motherfucker's shirtless. Guys, New York City's Transit Fresh Pond Maintenance Facility. We gotta turn back, we ain't allowed in there. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. This thing is just keeps falling down. rickety as hell. Ow. Oh man, I bet that's so cool because it's on super wide. Super view right now. Guys, we gotta check this out.
That was fast.
Yo, it's recording chats.
Damn, it's kind of scary. It's delayed. Humans were not meant.
Dude, it looks like we're looking into the freaking matrix of leadership.
Always got matrix of leadership on my mind.
I feel
Wait.
like this is bad for your brain.
Try to complete the heart.
I feel like the sound is bad.
Complete the heart.
Oh no. Oh, we did it. We did it.
Whoa, look, it's delayed.
It's delayed on the screen.
Dude, can you change the can you change the focus?
No. Like you mean the focal length?
It would be awesome if we could see the projector screen in the projector screen.
We just pointed at the projectors.
What if we turn off the
Wait,
lights?
yeah,
Let's see if
let's
we
do
turn
that.
off the lights.
I forgot I could move this. Oh, dude. Dude, if we do a motion, it's like, it's so laggy.
This is really scary.
This would be a good horror movie.
Yeah.
Ah! Damn. Wait. This is gonna be so true. Oh my gosh. Oh. Wait, let's do this. Oh. Whoa. Oh my god. Oh. Man. Yo.
We're all just under ourselves.
Dude, what if we point it back at its source? Yo. Yo, who that?
You got scared?
Who that is? Yo.
Oh!
Oh, and the sound is so trippy too. And yo, why is the screen like that?
It's like a reverb.
Yeah.
Or a delay.
It's like feedback.
Oh shit, I was trying to